Oh my God, you ain't gonna believe what's going by. That is a hermit if I ever saw one. Well, anyway. That guy usually has his wife walking with him. Nice shorts. Hi all. Been a little while, but you know how I am. I'll make a bunch of them in a week and then I won't do any for a week or two. So anyway, so today's Sunday, the 12th, I guess. We're going to do a little coffee chat this morning. So I finally went down to Payson, got some food, got some groceries and some other stuff. I got the power cord for the GoPro. I ordered it, and there's one of those Amazon hub box things on the way down, just outside of Payson. So I went ahead and ordered it, and they put it in there, and I went down and got it. That was interesting. If y'all ever used one of those, it's pretty convenient. I guess you can go. You got 3 days. Once they deliver, you got 3 days to go pick it up. After that, then they come and take it out and send it all back, issue a refund. So I went over to the gas station. It's I think it's probably about 4 miles or so, maybe. For quite some time, it's been $4.25 gasoline per gallon, $4.25, $4.50, $4.16, and all of a sudden it jumped up to $5.25. I asked the owner, what goes on with that, and he just shrugged his shoulders and walked away. And I know he hasn't got any gas deliveries since the last time I was there. So whatever gas was in the tanks, he just decided to raise the price on it. Okay, that's sort of a rant. Anyway, $50 to go 33 miles. Well, actually 36, I guess. 36 miles down and 36 miles back. So I won't be doing that very often, that's for sure. Try to get it all done once a month. Have to try to write stuff down, I try to use it my phone, it's an iPhone, so you push the notes and you can make a little list, and then you save it. So when you get down to the store, you have this list of things that you got to get. So I get all the way down there, opened it up, clicked on the note. It was all gone. Just 1 or 2 things on it. So I needed some canned air and some other things. So I did the best I could for memory. When you write stuff down, you tend to not try so hard to remember it. So anyway, sorry about the wind. It wasn't windy all morning until I got the camera out. That's Murphy's Law, right? So the Forest Service has been coming in here pretty regular, about once or twice a week, I guess. They just come in and water. It's really dry. We got a gully washer day before yesterday. Lasted about 5 minutes, but it rained pretty hard, so but then it didn't take it long to dry up either. So anyway, yeah, they've been coming in and watering, you know, some of the plants. They have a conservation area right next door over there. I think I've said it before. Something about mistletoe, or I don't know. It doesn't look like mistletoe to me, but whatever. They come in, clean the restroom, outhouse, and then they do the watering all up and down the road here. We're at stage 2 fire restrictions right now. I'm just about halfway waiting for them to come. If we don't get some rain really soon, some good rain, I'm about halfway expect them to come in and close the campground altogether. I looked up online and they're pretty sure it's going to be in stage 2 until August, which means absolutely no fires at all. So no smoking. That's hard on me. I'm still smoking. So I just hide in the truck. Can smoke inside the vehicle, I guess. But it's been pretty warm. Been in the mid to upper 80s the last 2 or 3 days. And I guess day after tomorrow. Yeah, day after tomorrow is supposed to get some high winds again. Sorry. Get some high winds again. Yep. Gusting up to 50 to 55. So I have to go around and make sure all the tie downs are good and tight on the tent. Always come from the southwest, so I'll probably move either the truck or the trailer up there close to the tent, so, you know, restrict the wind somewhat. But the tent does really good. Up the sit graves last month, we got some 60 to 65 mile an hour gusts. Did really good. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's the Kodiak 10x10 if you're interested. The cabin, yeah, 10x10 cabin thingy with a stove jack. So of course stove jacks, you can't use those right now. So I've been kind of studying power director. Pretty fancy stuff, but I try to stick to basics. Most of my audience are older people. Older? What's a good term for that? More mature. How's that? And so, you know, a lot of the guys and gals don't go in for all that fancy stuff, all those transitions and sparks and all that stuff flying, and try to keep it basic. I'm sure wanting to start a campfire, but we can't, so. Some younger people moved in that look like teenagers from here. Nothing against teenagers, but they did have a campfire going, a pretty good sized one, so I didn't say anything. I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna call anybody. Just keep an eye on it. I don't want any forest fires. That's for sure. We're doing really good this year, so we had 2 good sized ones, but they're out, or mostly 98% or something like that. There's, I think there's 1, 2, 3, I think there's 5 going on right now, but they're small and they're all pretty much contained, but every single one of them was human caused, since we're not getting any rain. So okay, I guess that's it. I can't think of anything else to talk about, so it's the same thing every day. Nothing's going on. So talk to you later. Bye.